Behaviours Weekly Wheat Report. Today is Friday, 5th of January. Happy New Year to you all. 3:54 in the afternoon PM, so the market is live at the present moment. And we look at the old crop May contract at the moment. This is on the bar chart, and we can see 141.50 is trading at the present moment. We're below the 60 SMA, which we can identify on this chart as coming in at 144. We can see we had a test this week of a low and which held from 140, and at the moment we seem to be back in this sort of sideways range here at the present moment. Let's pop forward to the new crop, and the new crop is a different story altogether. We've seen a low of 140, just over 140, currently trading 142.75. There's been a rise since the new year. We're above the monthly close. We can identify the 60 SMA here coming in at 144, not far off it. So let's have a look at the longer term picture on the new crop. We can identify here the 60 SMA comes in at 138.22, which has been our gauge for the last year. We are currently trading above this. This is now the third month we've held above this. 42.75 you quite clearly see here. Stochastics coming in and found a base around 150, and at present we can see we're going sideways with the 60 SMA falling. Pop down into our longer term chart that which we're going to look for our long term picture. I've just marked on here in blue where the new crop price is, 142.75. 36.25 is the market at the moment. This is obviously the spot month, that would be the March contract at the moment. So we've got a bit of differential to come through here, but if you just bear with me, I'll put some numbers on this. Our bearish argument, we'll start with first of all. We can see clearly here this fall here during 2014, 2015. We've identified the retracement levels here. We're above that, 134.86. So on new crop basis, we're well above that, 42.75. On the old crop, on the March contract, we're holding just above that at the present moment. I've identified a level of 29 that I would look for support. So let's put some more numbers on. We've got the major number support coming here that was resistance 140. We can put that on. This is our bearish argument. We were coming down here. We've got a swing low here, 149, to take us down to low again of 103. And we can put on here the move down that we've already seen, an ABC move. Has this been completed? That's the big question. That's what we're looking for over this coming months. My Elliott wave. So this is my, let's take those off. So this is my bullish argument. If you cast your mind back from my yearly review, we've got a 1, 2, 3. We're looking for a 4, which I've seen on the old crop has not came into place at the present moment, but identifying on the new crop, we may have already seen this low in and are turning the corner, 142.75. This gives us a target back up here at 178. So let's have a look, see where we can put projections on at the present moment. Bear with me, I'll just put the projection on at the moment. This is the kind of projection I'll be looking at the present moment. If we were following a ladder upwards, 147 would be our first target on the new crop. We're trading at 142.76, so not hit that first target, so we're not on that ladder at the present moment. Let's have a look just on the retracement coming down for the pullback on the old crop, coming to support 131, so we're holding about above that at 136 at the present moment. Put our risk reward, which we identified, and we can see here that at the moment we're in the red at the moment on the old crop, but the new crop is obviously in the green. So that's why I was saying to you at the moment, it looks like more weakness to come on the old crop, but the new crop is giving us a different story at the present moment. So on the new crop, I'd be look for this to go up and confirm and hold above this the 60 SMA, which comes back to our long-term chart. So sorry to be a bit confusing because I'm trying to overlay on this which we used on the on our yearly review, but this is my argument at the moment for the new crop, that I see this holding and turning. Let's have a look, go back to this bar chart, have a look. So here you can see that we've got this rise up here. I would see this holding, and we go up to test the 60 SMA on a daily basis back up at 144. And coming back to the old crop, referring back to, I can see a base forming around this level here at the present moment, and I see sideways action and not much happening on the old crop. But it's all about the new crop and whether we can continue to hold above this 60 SMA. And I'll put an update this time next week. Thank